In this video, I'll show you how to create a landing page in Framer. First, sign in to your Framer account and open your project. From the dashboard, create a new website or open an existing project where you want to build your landing page. Next, add a new page from the Pages panel and give it a name, such as Home or Landing Page. Then, open the page in the Framer editor and choose a starting layout or begin with a blank page. After that, build the main sections of your landing page. Add a hero section with a clear headline, short description, and a button that directs visitors to your main call to action. You can also add sections for features, testimonials, pricing, or frequently asked questions. Now customize the design. Select each section or element and adjust the fonts, colors, spacing, images, and backgrounds. Make sure the layout is easy to read and consistent across the page. Next, check the responsive layouts. Switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views and adjust the sizing and spacing so the page works well on different screen sizes. Finally, click Publish in the top right corner. Choose your domain settings if needed, then publish the site. Open the live page and test your buttons and links to make sure everything works correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a landing page in Framer. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.